my camera cut out, so I don't know where we left off. But we're at SeaWorld. He tried to jump the fence, and now we're over. Well, not jump the fence, but you know, he tried to go stand on the fence so we could get footage. And now he's gonna stand on the rail so we can get footage. Here. It's not gonna be a good view. It's fine. That's what it is. Okay, so couldn't see that much. No, you didn't. It's still going. So, yeah, I guess this is really all that we can find. There's not much. There's still the signs here. And, yeah, if you guys didn't know where it is, it's right next to Shipwreck Rapids. What do you mean?
Oh, can I have a pie? I can come with you. I know Bill Hoffman. I think that's a yes. Let's go, Noah. No, come on.
We're getting pie. Oh, hold on. Come on, Asher.
Come on, Noah. Eat pie.
He has pie. Asher, what's your opinion on pie?
Pie. I say, yeah.
We're going to try to get pie. Oh shoot, where'd he go?
He's around the corner, let's run.
He's around the corner. We gotta go fast. Go, Asher, go. Alright, we're getting this pie. Yeah.
Oh, I see him. Eyes on contact.
Ew, he just spit sunflower seeds at me. Oh, that got on my camera. Alright, let me just wipe this off.
He's going in the secret place.
Oh, he's going in the secret place. This is our chance, Asher. It's now or never.
I want pie!
I think that's a no.
Let's chase him.
Run!
Pie!
He went in there. Asher, it's gone.
He must spit.
What do? We gotta find another crew member with pie.
Do you have pie? Sweet.
We want pie. So we're gonna find pie.
You go knock on the door, I bet they'll answer. Because I have Bill Hoffman's number.
Yeah, we know Bill Hoffman, so that means we get pie, right? Yeah. Alright. We're gonna go get pie.
Seed.
So he wants to eat the seed. He said he likes pie.
Yeah, he stinks.
Did he eat it? Oh, eat him.
Yeah, they want pie, that's how you know, because they're
Oh my gosh, he just grew. This guy's cool, he plays Pokemon.
Oh, there's an Eevee. Guys, I just downloaded this yesterday.
Oh wow, Asher's going at him. Oh, it's gonna get him.
That's how you know it's cool.
So did you get it?
Eevee was caught.
He just found another Pokemon.
I just am so good.
He's too good at this game. Oh, he broke out. What do you do, Asher? Oh wow, good job.
Gotcha.
You shut up! You guys probably can't even hear because there's a lot of wind. We're gonna go look at Sharkies. Sharkeisha? Is she gonna be in here? Look at that. That's nice. Oh, scary. Really? Yeah, those things are like everywhere in La Jolla. Baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark.
I saw one about that big though.
No way, you did not see one that big.
Yes, I did.
That's huge.
I know. I was scared. I went in.
That's a tunnel. We're gonna go in there, Asher.
How much you want to bet if I jump in the water, it won't bite me?
Yeah, honestly, probably won't. Oh my gosh, I can't breathe. We're underwater. Whoa, are you swimming, Asher? Oh, whoa. We can breathe now. Whoa. This kind of looks like Space Mountain. Like the Line Cube. Like, does it not? Yeah, have fun. Nice try, pal. I give you a A for effort. Oh my god, I hate you. Whoa, look at him. Look.
Did you buy?
Hey, Ashley, it looks like you. Well, that's a big fish. Look at all these. Wowzers. Time for the penguinos.
There's a penguin.
A penguino. Oh, it smells so bad in
I wonder what's in the
here.
presents. I bet you just only a box because they're pranking the penguins.
Oh man, I hope not. The penguins have feelings too. Whoa, that looks cool on the camera. Look how cool that looks on the camera. That's sick. Alright. Look, dude, they fart out of their bag. Look, see, they fart. That's weird.
That was big.
Look at that one.
Try finding Happy Feet.
He's the big mama.
Where's
Right
Happy
there, dude, right there.
That is. Feet happiness.
Are your feet happy?
No, this is him.
I think he's having a seizure. What are you doing there, pal?
Dude, I did it. It's not working.
Look, this is where the penguins go cliff jumping.
Bro, that must be like a 30-foot cliff.
For sure. Like, throwing some gainers off of it or something. All of the lights turned on while we were in there.
It's because I'm magical.
Yeah.
I went.
Now, we are at Eel, but more importantly to just look at this update of nothing. They have some scaffolding or whatever the heck you call that. Right, scaffolding? Scaffold?
Yep.
Yeah. Over there, so they must be repainting. And they got it all drained. You know, you could see the cannons and some wiring. The entrance, there's stuff by the entrance, which is actually track. That is track by the entrance. So that's pretty cool. You see the track, Asher?
Yeah.
It's by the entrance.
No, I didn't see it.
Look, it's by like,
Cool.
yeah.
Let's go. I want to ride the electric.
Alright, we're gonna go get electrified right
No one
now.
in.
So at the moment, Electric Eel is closed.
Gosh darn it!
Okay. Actually, you might need to calm down a little. Okay. We're gonna get Asher some food because he said he's hungry.
I've had a pretzel, a protein bar, and a few bites of Takis, and then a bite of a breakfast sandwich.
That's all he had today. It kind of sounds like a lot though. Like once you put it all together. Like I had this, that, this, and this, and this.
It's just because a lot of things are just small.
Yeah, I know. So, yeah, we're gonna go get him some grub, and then, you know, who knows what we're doing next. Maybe go get electrified.
Maybe, if it's open.
Yeah. Maybe go ride the Rainfield Rush on Manta, but I don't think so, because the line is kind of... Okay. It's kind of long. Oh, this part stinks so bad because of those. Let's go get him some food, and then... Okay, he's gonna go to the bathroom. That was sick. Oh, here, up here. So we're in the penguin area because it's heated in here, and we're freezing. Are we
We're
freezing?
about to go to a hot tub.
Yeah, we're going back to my house, and we're gonna go to our local like swim and racket club thing, and we're gonna go into the hot tub because it is freezing. But you know, let's just. Ouch! Ow! Sorry, I'm trying to open the screen so I can like do this. But yeah, guys, you know, like, comment, and subscribe. And
Bye.
I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Now do it. Yeah.
Get down, get up,